Hey guys, today's video is the top picks for December 2023. This is the last top picks for the year. I can't believe it's already to the end of the year. As always, we're going right into 2024. So let's jump right into it. Number one on my top pick for this month, the Flawless Screen Cleaner Spray from Amazon. This is $16.77 right now on Amazon. The price kind of fluctuates, but we have been consistently purchasing this cleaner spray, and it has been amazing for all of our devices that have screens, our glasses. If you watched my last video, you would have seen my husband kind of doing a cute little skit using that. So I'll link that here. Awesome stuff, awesome stuff. So really recommend that if you guys have screens and you need help cleaning them. I really recommend this screen cleaner. Number two is another thing from Amazon. You can get this honestly anywhere, and there's specialty stores as well for these items. And I'm gonna recommend using actual commercial baking sheets as opposed to those flimsy, thin, like, don't get me wrong, Wilton is great and all, but these commercial baking sheets that are actual aluminum, you can get them in a half pan or a full sheet. These are amazing. I personally purchased this 2-pack off of Amazon the night that I needed to make a bunch of cookies, and they come in super handy. They wear really well. They last a really long time. They're like industrial, you know, for commercial use. So I really recommend commercial baking sheets if you're going to do any baking. Number three is a Trayvax wallet. My husband has been using Trayvax wallets for a few years now. He switched over from a standard, you know, whether it's fabric or leather kind of bifold or trifold wallet, and he moved to this metal design. Now, keep in mind that because of the design and it's a little bit more stiff, you're gonna have to wear your wallet differently than you normally do. So just keep that in mind. It does take a little bit to get used to that, so that might not be your jam. But if you're looking for something different, something new, and something that's gonna last you a really long time. I think they even maybe claim lifetime maybe of the product, but this is supposed to last a really long time. My husband has had his for years and he loves it. So I really recommend the Trayvax wallet. Number four top pick for the month. Netflix is releasing so much stuff this week, you guys. So we've got Joker, we've got Meg 2, we've got Pokemon Concierge, we've got Aquaman, we've got John Wick 2, and 3. So all three of those. You've also got the Equalizer 3 coming out, and then there's so much more. But those were my top picks that I'm super excited about coming out on Netflix. And then my number five, my last top pick of the month. I really want to just shout out these top content creator YouTubers that are also on the same platform as me. These are people that I have actually personally subscribed to as well. So let's just go ahead and go through these really quick here. So Jimmy on relationships, he has so many great videos, so many different topics that he personally talks about. I cannot recommend him enough for anything relationship or, you know, trauma related, those sorts of topics. I really recommend him. Therapy in a nutshell. Oh, so fantastic. So Emma McAdam, she is a licensed marriage and family therapist, and she has created so many fantastic resources, from everything trauma related to just therapy related, anxiety, stress, depression, anything that you might be struggling with. I really recommend her channel as a resource for any of those topics. Let's talk about Taskmaster. Taskmaster is a British subscription. It's a show, I believe, over there in the UK. They do tasks and assignments, and it's hilarious. Some of the things that they have them do are just obnoxious. They get all these comedians on the show to do all these different tasks. I really recommend them. Next person I really recommend, Frank James. He's got some very interesting content. He talks a lot about the 16 personalities. If you've seen any of my other videos talking about that kind of topic, he kind of goes through those. He's kind of a comedian, so he's kind of cut a couple different kinds of topic videos that he talks about. So definitely recommend him for a good laugh. Russ Wood, this is a personal channel to me. So he was actually a teacher at my school when I was growing up, and he does comedy skits. He has these characters that he plays. He's got so many different videos. So I really recommend him. Go check him out, Russ Wood. Taylor Wynn, this is who I go to for a lot of my like makeup and other kind of resource videos. Kind of keeps me in check of my content and stuff. So she's someone that I would recommend. That's not a whole lot of drama, is what I'd say. I do watch a lot of other beauty tubers, but she's one that she's very chill, very cool. She's got a great aesthetic, and she does fantastic content. And then this is another personal YouTube channel that is a close friend of mine, and they make videos together on different gaming kind of content. So Bearded Monkey PDX, I really recommend them. Bearded Monkey. And then this is another personal channel I just want to give a shout out to, Diverse Automotive. This is someone that I went to school with, and he does fantastic content on personal vehicles that he's working on. So if you like garage content, stuff like that, like Spike TV, love that stuff, go check out Diverse Automotive. And these are all my top subscriber picks for this month. So any of those, if they sound interesting, please go check them out. Give them a like on any of their content, and subscribe if you like their stuff as well. Those are all my top picks for December 2023. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for being with me through this year. It has been an insane ride, but let's hold on. Let's get into 2024. Many blessings to all of you. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day. Remember to spread kindness to yourself and to others, and I'll see you guys in my next video.